Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account and that the app or browser is up to date. Once done, open your profile and tap Photos, then choose your photos or albums depending on what you'll change. You want to act now, skip General Settings, and go straight to the image list. This ensures you edit visibility per item. Make sure to note whether a photo is in an album or individually uploaded because the control location differs. You'll change who sees each item. Open a photo, tap the three-dot menu or Options, then edit Audience to pick Public, Friends, Accept, Only Me, or Custom. For albums, go to Albums, open the album, choose Edit Privacy, and apply the audience to the whole album. That updates every photo inside. Once set, Facebook updates immediately. Make sure to review custom lists if you want targeted visibility. Also check tagged photos via the Photos of You tab. Finish by verifying your changes. Use View as from your profile to confirm what a public or specific friend sees. Then review tag review and timeline settings so tagged images don't appear without approval. If a change won't save, log out then back in, clear the app cache, or try the desktop browser. Different clients sometimes sync slowly. If a persistent issue remains, check for multiple copies of the photo or album level settings that override individual photo privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.